Hello everyone and welcome back to another Fantasy 11 prediction video. In this video, we will predict the Fantasy 11 for the match between Chennai Super Kings and Mumbai Indians. Mumbai sits comfortably on the top 4 while CSK struggle on the last spot, which is highly unlikely of Chennai this season. The two teams have met 29 times before and Mumbai has won 17 of them. Who makes it in the Fantasy 11 of this match? Let's find out. Quinton de Kock. Quinton de Kock has been batting very well at the top of the order this season. His crucial knocks in the previous games will have boosted his confidence. Taking advantage of the small boundaries of the Sharjah Cricket Stadium, he will be looking to exploit the Chennai Super Kings bowling. He thus makes the captain of R11 and our first pick. Faf du Plessis. Faf du Plessis has been the highest run getter for Chennai Super Kings in this season. Over the last few games, he has not been as impactful with the bat as expected of him, and he will be looking to make the most out of this game and get some runs to his name. His ability to single-handedly win matches makes him our vice captain and the second pick of R11. Shane Watson. Shane Watson has finally seen glimpses of form this season. He is connecting the ball very well and he will be looking to score big, taking the advantage of the small boundaries of Sharjah. Once he gets going, it becomes hard to stop him. He will be a threat to the sublime bowling attack of Mumbai Indians if he gets off to a good start. This makes him our third pick. Surya Kumar Yadav. Surya Kumar Yadav has proved to be a dependable middle order batsman and plays crucial knocks under pressure for Mumbai Indians. He has a great record against Chennai Super Kings and he will be looking to get more runs against the struggling side of CSK. This makes him our fourth pick. Sam Curran. Sam Curran has proved to be a dependable all-rounder for Chennai Super Kings. Since he has started to open the batting, we have seen him get more runs to his name along with the 10 wickets that he already has picked up this season. He is also a brilliant fielder and is an asset to the CSK squad. This makes him our fifth pick. Ravindra Jadeja. Ravindra Jadeja has proved his worth to the Chennai Super Kings squad this season time and time again. He has played a lot of crucial cameos down the order and his batting has been explosive this season. Although he has not been as impactful with the ball, but him starting to turn the ball on the slow pitches of UAE looks to be a good sign. He is also a live wire on the field, which makes him capable of winning the matches with bat, ball and as a fielder. This makes him our sixth pick. Krunal Pandya. Krunal Pandya has been in decent form this season. He is bowling at the good spots and is playing major roles in Mumbai Indians wins this season with the ball and with the bat. He has the ability to strike the ball a long way, which only adds up to what he has to offer to his team. This makes him our seventh pick. Kieron Pollard. Kieron Pollard is the most destructive all-rounder for Mumbai Indians this season. Although he has not bowled as much, but he has been very crucial with the bat. He strikes a 200 this season and he has the ability to single-handedly finish matches for Mumbai Indians. This grants him the 8th spot in R11. Deepak Chahar. Deepak Chahar has been the go-to bowler for Chennai Super Kings in the power play overs. Having the ability to swing the ball both the ways and pick up wickets as well, while bowling at an economy rate of as low as just above 7 in the power play, speaks volumes of this man's potential. He will be looking to dismiss the top guns of Mumbai Indians in the power play overs. This makes him our ninth pick. Rahul Chahar. Rahul Chahar has been in excellent form with the ball this season. He has constantly pressured batsmen with his brilliant spin bowling and he has picked up wickets as well. He looks to be fitting really well in the well-balanced side of Mumbai Indians this season, and this makes him our 10th pick. Jasprit Bumrah. The Mumbai Indians speedster Jasprit Bumrah is showing exactly why people regard him so high. He has been in excellent form with the ball throughout the season. He has already picked up 15 wickets and he looks to be bowling brilliantly in the death overs. He will pose a threat to the struggling batting order of Chennai Super Kings in this match, which makes him our final pick. These are the 11 players who we believe will impact this game the most by taking the most fantasy points to their names. Who is your favorite pick? Let us know down below.